Hey guys, so I'm Lisa Farrall and I'm here with the gorgeous India.
Hello.
We're going to transform India's hair from sleek and smooth to bouncy and wavy. Check it out. Here it is. So in here we have a roller. We're going to pop it in and in less than 4 seconds this is going to heat up. Now I'm going to show you how to apply it to the hair. Check it out. So that is the finished look. We have used the Cloud9 O for, oh my God, her hair looks so good. How long was she in the salon? But no, actually, she's just done it herself at home. Well, I've done it herself at home, but you get the gist. Here we are for bouncy curls that take like 5 minutes. So I've gone in there with the heated rollers. So what it's done, they heat up in less than 4 seconds, put them on the entire head, waited for the little red dot to go so we know that they've cooled down, and here we have it. What are you saying?
So fun, so bouncy. Didn't take too long at all. 4 seconds heating up. What? Crazy.
Red carpet ready or Netflix ready?
Netflix.
Netflix
Definitely.
ready.